I still remember the first time my sales team tried to run a busy campaign using a patchwork of cell phones and a shared spreadsheet. Calls were missed, follow-ups slipped through the cracks, and we ended up losing leads we had worked hard to earn. That's when I realized we needed something more reliable, something built for teams who live on the phone. That search is what led me to Aircall. But does it actually deliver on the promise of being the phone system for modern businesses? Let's find out. Aircall is a cloud-based phone system designed for sales and support teams who want powerful features without the complexity of traditional phone hardware. Everything runs through your internet connection, which means your team can make and receive calls from anywhere, using computers or mobile devices. It's all about centralizing communication so you can serve customers better and keep your team organized. Picture a support team handling dozens of calls a day. Without a centralized system, it's easy to lose track of who said what and when. Aircall solves this by offering shared call inboxes, call routing, and integrations with over 100 tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zendesk. That way, every call connects seamlessly with your CRM and help desk systems, giving your team full context before they even say hello. Aircall's pricing is straightforward. The Essentials plan starts at around $30 per user per month, which includes unlimited calls within the US and Canada, call routing, IVR menus, and basic integrations. The Professional plan, at about $50 per user per month, adds advanced analytics, power dialers for sales teams, and call monitoring features. For larger companies with complex needs, custom plans are available with more integrations, dedicated onboarding, and premium support. Aircall's biggest strength is how well it integrates into existing workflows. If your business already uses CRM or help desk tools, it feels almost effortless to plug Aircall in and start managing calls smarter. The user interface is also clean and easy to learn, making it simple to onboard new agents quickly. On the flip side, call quality can sometimes depend heavily on internet stability, and while the integrations are powerful, they may feel overwhelming for very small teams that just want something simple. Pricing is also on the higher end compared to some bare-bones VoIP systems, but the extra features justify it for growing businesses. If you're running a small support desk or sales team and want a tool that instantly makes calls more manageable, the Essentials plan will serve you well. If you're scaling fast and need advanced analytics, power dialers, and call monitoring, the Professional plan offers more value. For enterprise-level teams that need customization, the custom plans cover everything. The key is matching the plan to the size and complexity of your team. So that's the honest review of Aircall. It's built for modern teams who want their phone system to work as hard as they do, with powerful integrations and features that scale as you grow. If this review helped you figure out whether Aircall is the right fit, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.